At the School of Business and Accountancy, we're not just educating students, but also we are empowering future leaders.
Nandun yung consideration ng mga teachers at napakalaki ng tulong nila, not just academically, not just yung mga lessons na tinuturo nila. Kasi nagtuturo din sila ng mga lessons na ma-apply mo sa buhay.
If you have patience, if you have courage, you have dedication in work, it will follow. So actually, that's my main goal. Hindi yung pag ayaw mo ng trabaho, wala na. That's the thing that I really learned in the school from my instructors before. If I'll make a realization, parang do not settle for less.
The values I've learned at the School of Business and Accountancy have been my compass in the corporate world. They've guided me through the challenges and opportunities alike. Even though I'm still a student intern, job offers keep coming because I showed how competent I am, thanks to the training I have here at Holy Cross College.
As an accountancy student, Holy Cross College taught us the value of integrity, excellence, collaboration, and innovation. Thank you, Holy Cross College, because I can be a trusted and competent professional in the future.
Join us at the School of Business and Accountancy, where values drive excellence and success.